Hey everyone, it's Mr. Swigum. So today we're going to be having you guys work through something kind of exciting, something that we actually haven't taught before, but are putting into this unit. You can see that I am literally recording this now while Miss Chalmers over at West is kind of doing a little modifying here and prettying things up, which is kind of cool. And so this is a spreadsheet, and spreadsheets are something that are used in lots of jobs. In fact, if you go ask your mom, dad, older brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, right now, if they have ever used a spreadsheet like an Excel is the Microsoft Office version of it, or Google Sheets, I'm guessing a number of them have. And even if they haven't, you have a good chance of being able to or having to work with a spreadsheet at some point in the future here. And it's used in a number of jobs. It's used for some financial planning, even for your own budgeting at home and organizing. So we're going to investigate some patterns here on a spreadsheet. One thing that you guys need to know, though, is like when we refer to rows and columns, like for instance, A, B, or C, or A4, B3, A5. What does that mean? Well, the columns, notice, are the ones that go across the top. So A, B, C, D, E. These are all the columns. And then the rows go down the left side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are all of the rows, and you could just add to that. So I'm probably bothering Miss Chalmers right now while I'm doing this because I think she's trying to do a little editing of this. But when we say then, for instance, B3, you'd be looking at B3. And when you are looking at A3, be looking right there, A3. Or A5, you would be looking at that green rectangle right there. Or A2, you would be looking at that pink rectangle right there. So when we refer to a cell, then that's what these are called. Each one of these is called a cell. So when we refer to a cell, that is referring to a row and a column. So you notice that cell right there is D13. And we usually say the letter first. This cell right here is B17. And you'll notice it gets highlighted over on the left side when you click on the cell. So as you are going through and determining some of the patterns here and learning a little bit of how these spreadsheets work, I just wanted to make sure that you had a little bit of an intro, a preview of what that means when we say a cell or put some numbers together like B4 or B17 in this case, or I see Miss Chalmers is in B12 right now. So that's all I have to say right now, and hopefully this will go well, and good